Let's check the overall energy for the masculines in the collective. This is a general reading. Only somebody who can resonate with it should take it. For a personal reading, you can contact on the details provided in the video. The Devil card. The first card for today's reading for the masculine collective is the Devil card. Devil card shows that masculines who are stuck in a toxic pattern or who are very stubborn and who do not want to let go of their old toxic ways or their patterns should use the 1111 portal and this time of manifestation, where your manifestations are very powerful, to let go and release of your behavior patterns and ideas which no longer serve you or which no longer help you. It can also mean that if you have some toxic people around you who are not letting you progress, who are not letting you grow in your life, make sure that you cut ties, you cut your cords with such people and make sure that you remove such people from your life. Devil card also shows that if you let go of things which are not helping you, which are not serving you, you will be able to move on to better things in your life. The next one is World. The World with Devil card is a very powerful message that masculines who have the potential to achieve a lot in life, who have the potential to go international with their business, with their job, with their art or with their skill or with whatever kind of talent that they have, where they want to showcase it on the global platform or to international clients. This is a very good time that you let go of things which are not helping you and you focus on things which will help you manifest whatever it is that you want to manifest in the coming year. The World card is also the card of completion, so it shows that masculines who have tried it all, who have completed their cycles, their patterns, and who have tried almost everything and yet they are not getting any results from their actions, they must hold their life, they must hold their thing, they must hold their game with determination, because the 9 of cups energy shows that ultimately you will be able to get happiness, you will be able to get success, you will be able to manifest whatever it is that you want only if you let go of things which are not helping you. It's not an easy thing, but the World card does show that this is definitely a promising message from the cards with the 9 of cups for the masculines in the collective.